Hi, this is Med from Indicators Technology. In this quick video, I am introducing you to Canva AI Presentation Maker, which is a tool that enables you to create beautiful presentations very easily and quickly. So go ahead to canva.com or go to Google and type in Canva AI Presentation Maker, and then go ahead and click on Create Presentation with AI, and then you will be directed to Canva's presentation editor. Click on design and type in the title, the topic of your presentation. For instance, let's say that I want to create a presentation on daylight saving time. All right, so here is a number of templates that I can use for my presentation. Let's just select any of the templates. For instance, let me select this one here. So you can hover over it to see how many slides it has. For instance, this one, it has 13, and notice the crown icon, which means it's only for Pro users, but I do have a Canva Pro, so I'll go ahead and click on this one. Now you can see the different slides it has here. Go ahead and click on apply all 13 pages, and let me click on replace all pages. So as you can see here, the presentation slides are now within the editor, and you can go ahead and click on each slide to further edit it. So if you have been following me and you have seen the reviews of the AI presentation maker tools that I have covered in the past, such as Slides Go, Slides AI, Brisk Teaching, and several other presentation makers, you will notice that Canva presentation maker is different because it does not generate text and populate it in the slides like the other ones. Here you need to go ahead and, for instance, you can use a ChatGPT or any other AI assistant to create an outline or create the content of the slides, then bring that content and use it here in these slides. So what Canva AI does here, it simply provides you with a design template to use for your presentation, but you can also use its Magic Write AI feature to help you come up with the content for the slides. For instance, for our first slide, I can simply click on this text, I can highlight it, and then click here on the Magic Write and click on custom prompt, and let me just give it a prompt like, for instance, provide, for instance, the content of the first slide in this presentation on daylight saving time, just an example, and click on generate. Of course, you need to already have an outline, to have already created an outline. That would have been better, and just simply provide it with the idea, and it will give you a more efficient answer. So you can see here it provides me with the slide content. It says introduction to daylight saving time, and definition and purpose and brief history. It provides some of the ideas that I can use for my first slides, and it keeps generating more ideas. Then I can simply click on add below, and I can add them all to here, to the slide here, and then from there I can further edit and delete whatever I don't want. For instance, I'll just keep an introduction here, a definition of the. So as you can see, it's not as practical as the other AI presentation maker tools, but because of the design convenience it provides, it's really worth trying out. So here you can just highlight text and change anything, make the font bigger, and customize it the way you want using the editing tools up here. And this is just the concept of how to use the AI presentation maker to help you create beautiful presentations in Canva. So I hope that makes sense to you, and Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.